Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm TechnoCradt, and I'm super excited to have you here. On this channel, you can expect reviews of the newest smartphones, laptops, and tech devices, also tech news updates. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Let's dive in. WhatsApp is reportedly working on introducing the ability for iPhone users to use multiple accounts on a single device. This feature is already available to Android users since 2023, is now being extended to iOS. The multi-account functionality will allow users to switch between accounts without the need for multiple devices or third-party workarounds, making it more convenient for those managing personal and professional communications separately. Users can add a new account by setting it as the primary account or by scanning a QR code to link it as a secondary account. Each account will maintain its own notifications, chats, backups, and settings, ensuring clear separation between personal and professional communications. This feature is currently available through the Test Flight Beta program and is expected to roll out to all iPhone users in the near future. This update aligns with WhatsApp's broader efforts to enhance usability and cater to its diverse user base. The rollout timeline for iOS is not yet confirmed, but it's expected to be part of an upcoming app update. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, don't forget to like, comment, and share it with your friends. And for those who haven't subscribed yet, click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss my latest videos. See you in the next one. Bye.